fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started and we get you a little bit of light action. Get this box action going on. Let's get this label gang going. This shoe is the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Black Fresh Mint and Light Army. This is one of my favorite shoes that came out in this colorway. It's very unique. This is my staring pair. I'm going to sell a couple because I believe I can get my hands on some 13s. The materials on this shoe are outstanding. As you can see, this is a StockX verified. Get this light out. So you get an extra pair of mint laces. Black laces come in the shoes. Great leather colorway. The black tumbled leather. The materials are buttery soft. As you know, they usually do with the Jordan 1 Retro High OGs. They usually keep the materials classic and good. StockX tags getting in my way. Putting these laces into the shoe. I don't want to bust the lace bag or the StockX symbol. Get you guys a little bit of light action. I said the materials on the shoe are outstanding. Metallic leather to the black leather. Metallic Nike swoosh. Gray suede on the back. Just an all-around good shoe. Get some backstroke motion on the suede as well. You know that it's a good quality suede. Cat, get out my box. He's over here digging in my box. I just took the shoes out of. I said a lot of people slept on this colorway. It's going for various prices here and there. There's nothing bad about the shoe. Very nice shoe in my opinion. Like I said, a very unique colorway. I'll let you guys get one more view of what the shoe will look like when it's on your foot. You can see the StockX tag, mint laces. Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. Let me hit on some light action. Get you guys a little bit of box action. This is the Air Max 97 white, wolf gray, and black. Had these sitting for a minute. Not really an Air Max 97 guy, but this is one of the highest rated Air Max 97s for a while. So I had to get a pair. Had to get a pair. Materials on this shoe are outstanding. It's the normal Air Max 97 materials. It's just the way that they have them structured on the shoe. So I guess why everybody loves this shoe. It's just so pure white. Can't go wrong with a pair of white sneakers, everybody's saying. Everybody always says that you can't go wrong with a pair of white sneakers, but I'm not really an Air Max 97 guy. This one has the full air unit across the whole bottom. As you guys can see, so it's not so bad. I don't know if I want to keep or unload these, but I'll have to find out, I guess. I said I have an Air Max collection. I do need to expand it, so I may keep these. But like I said, this had been cut for so long, I think they're about $300 or $400 in value now, so I may unload them. Oh, it's so white. So white. See the hits of the little 3M that you'll get on the shoe. I don't know if this is a $300 to $500 shoe. In my opinion, again, I'm not an Air Max fan. If you guys are Air Max fans, let me know if you would pay $300 to $500 for this shoe, and you make it out of this pack. It's a nice basic white shoe. I won't call it a dad shoe, but I can see an older person wearing this shoe. Somebody who might have been a teen in '97 wanting this shoe. It's a complete dead stocker. Like I said, let me know if anybody's interested. I got more than one pair as well, multiple sizes. I just put these boxes to the side, like I said, because I'm not an Air Max buyer and or seller. But like I said, I got them now, so it's too late. I'll give you a view of what you'll see when the shoe is on your foot, and we'll move on to this last shoe. Alright guys, let's get this last shoe done. Apparently somebody loves to call me while I'm doing stuff. It's StockX sending me some cash. Thanks, StockX. Get you guys a little bit of light action. Got a bunch of these shoes because I'm a gamer. So I'm going to be able to sell people some of the gaming shoes. This is the Adidas Xbox Forum Tech Boost C Black, and Custom. This is the Xbox 20th Anniversary Forum Low. I have all three Xbox Adidas that came out. This one just came in the mail, so I said I might as well get it out of here now before it gets lost in the shuffle like the other ones. I haven't looked at any of them. So far, looking at this shoe, it doesn't seem like it's a bad shoe. Materials are some type of netting. Look like you got reflective laces. Oh my God. This is the first time on the show, guys. You can see for yourself. Adidas got a pair of laces to me and they weren't busted open. Thank you, Adidas. They usually just don't even try. They just throw mine in the shoe. It's okay. The materials, pardon me guys, on this form are outstanding. This bottom, it looks thicker than I thought it would be on the neck. It's supposed to be some with Adidas new type of foam. Inside, oh yeah, the shoe feels like it feels like it's gonna be a very comfortable shoe to wear, guys. So whoever bought a pair of these, congratulations. You see the 2001 to 2021 on the back of the shoe, celebrating the Xbox brand. Xbox brand green coloring, white foam outer, to plastic bottom. That's all translucent plastic. As you guys can see here, whole translucent bottom. You can see all of the boost foam in there, or whatever this is. The Tech Boost foam. All brand new. See the little Adidas logos in here. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Like I said, good materials on the shoe. You can see the 3M reflective laces. Little 3M embossed thing here. Changes color when you shine light on it. More 3M hits next to the Xbox button. An Xbox logo, whichever you want to call it. Let's check out the back. It's my first time seeing this shoe with you guys. No hits of anything on the back, like I said, but you do get the 2001 to the 2021 on the back. Nothing special. Like I said, we're going to show it off again. Adidas gave me laces that are actually not busted. And you see these are 3M laces. These are green 3M laces in case you want to change them out. I think they might go better in the shoe than the black. Get you guys more bottom action. Do one more 360 and we'll end her up. Like I said, did you guys hit on these? Were you able to get a pair? Are you interested in getting a pair? You can check me out on StockX and eBay. Matter of fact, I don't even think StockX is letting us put these up. I tried to put some on StockX and they said no. So you have to find me on GOAT and on eBay. I got your pairs, guys. Give you a view of what you see when the shoe is on your foot. Let you guys know what time it is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the show rather. Everybody have a nice day. Make sure to stay safe out there. We're in some crazy times. Everybody fucking jump!